Craig, unfortunately, it's the end of the road for TNS in the Conference League, but it feels like another game where if luck had gone your way, things could have been very different.
Yeah, it could have been. It could have been. You know, you look at it, and we've scored 2 goals away from home, and we give 3 real poor ones away from our point of view. Obviously, every goal you give away, it can be avoided at some point, but we have give really at least 2 really cheap ones away. So we're really disappointed with that. But again, all I can ask from the players is, the players and the staff have been magnificent, right the way through the journey. It's 6-7 months down the line now since we had our first, qualifier, and the boys of the commitment, the togetherness and the group has been brilliant on and off the pitch. I can't speak highly enough of, and as professionals and as men and people, they've done TNS very proud. I'm certainly proud to manage this group of players and staff, and they've done Wales proud as well.
I know, because emotions will be quite raw. Obviously, it's straight after the game. But before this campaign, Craig, nobody knew what to expect. But I think it's fair to say all of these games, they've shown that TNS can compete and can perform on this stage. Yes,
definitely, without a doubt. We've been in every single game. We've played some big teams. Yes, sometimes we've had to give up some territory and possession, but the lads have the game plan's been great. Got an opportunity to be in the game for nearly all of the game. So it's it's credit to the players. Like I said, the players and the staff have put us in a position where we've competed in every single game. In match day 5 and match day 6, we're still in with a slim chance of going through. And unfortunately tonight it wasn't to be. Obviously Connor's made 2 or 3 fantastic saves when we're stretched at the end to try and get that equaliser. We've had a great opportunity where I think one of their players has kicked it at the keeper in the face. He didn't have a clue where the ball was or what was going on. And that just little bit of luck and and decision making and a couple of poor goals we conceded are the difference. It's a small margin at this level.
Finally, for you personally, Craig, how do you feel now that the journey's come to an end?
Yeah, proud. Really proud to represent, like I said, this group of people and represent this football club and represent Welsh football to get to as far as what we could, and immense proud of this group.
Well, I would say enjoy the break, but you've got Britain Ferry on Sunday, Craig, so safe journey back. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.